guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas to everyone here. I hope your day is going great and I hope you're able to celebrate with your loved one. I am back with another CVS video and I only did one transaction using a 10 of 17x purchase CRT. I would also like to welcome anyone here for the first time. I'm glad you're able to join us and I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And let's go grab some deals. First item I picked up will be the Care. It's priced at $8.99, but it's not giving back any extra care box. But check your Ibotta because there is a $6 back when you buy one. Go to Care website and you can print out this $2 coupon you're looking at. With the coupon, it's going to drop it down to $6.99. I will pay that and I will also submit my receipt for the $6 back from Ibotta. It's just a limit of one. And this product will end up costing just 99 cents. The next deal I have here, I'm so sorry I wasn't able to film in the aisle, but these are the two products, the Head and Shoulder Clinical Strength. They are part of the buy one get one 40% off, and when you buy two, you get $4 back. And these items are priced at $12.79, and the second one is going to be $7.33 because of the 40% off, and the two of them are going to total $20.12. I have 3 of the $2 off Head and Shoulder CRT, but one of them, when I try to add it to my account, it keeps saying that it's invalid, so I'm going to be using only 2. And I have 2 of the $2 off Hair Care CRT that will also apply to this. Check your app because we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will help with this. The total for all the coupons and CRTs I have for these two products is $11 and the total is $20.12. If I'm doing this by itself and after the coupons apply, it's going to drop down to $9.12. I'll pay that and get $4 back. And we have Ibotta rebate for $3 back on each item and it's a limit of 2. That will end up making these two products free and it's 8 cents money maker. The next deal I'm picking up will be on the Polydent product. It's part of the buy one get $3 back and I'll pick up the 3-minute daily cleanser 40 tablets at $5.29. I have $1.50 off Polydent CRT that will work on this and drop it down to $3.79. I'll pay that and get $3 back, making it just 79 cents. The next deal I'll pick up will be on Eucerin lotion. They are part of the spend 20 get $10 back and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up 3 of the intensive repair lotion priced at $6.99. And these 3 items are going to total me $20.98. And I'll use 3 of the $2 coupon. I got these coupons from my doctor's place, but don't worry about it because we have one in our app. And you can go on coupons.com and print out 1 or 2 depending on how much you want to print out. And also on Shopmium, you can submit your receipt if you don't have enough coupons to redeem for one of the products. I didn't print mine out because since I have this and it's the same value, what's the point of printing out more? And after all these coupons apply, it's going to drop it down to $14.98. I'll pay that and get $10 back, making these 3 items $4.98 or $1.66 each. The next 2 items I'll pick up will be the CVS brand medicated heat patch. They are priced at $2.39 each, and the 2 of them are going to total $4.78. I have a $5 off 2 CVS Health Pain Relief CRT that I'll be using with these 2 products. Because the CRT is more than the total amount is going to adjust down and these 2 items is going to turn out free. Make sure you're checking out your clearance section because mine we have some hair care products that are on clearance. But I'll pick up the Garnier Fructis Mega Full Thickening Lotion. It's originally priced at $6.59. But right now it's on clearance for $1.64. I have a $1 off Garnier Fructis CRT that will make this product cost just 64 cents. Another item I found is the Pantene Volumizing Spray. It's originally priced at $8.59, but it's on clearance for $2.18. And I also have a $2 Pantene CRT that will make this product cost just 18 cents. The last item I'll pick up before I go check out will be the Sally Hansen nail polish. We have a deal this week of spend 8 get $2 back, but I will not be doing the deal. I'll just use the $4 CRT we received today, and that is for CoverGirl or Sally Hansen, and pick up one of the nail polish. This one is originally priced at $7.99, but you can see the 40% off sticker on it. With the 40% off sticker, it's going to drop it down to $4.79. And when you take off the $4 CRT we have, this product will just cost me 79 cents. These are all the items I'll pick up using the 10 off 17x purchase CRT. I'm going to go check out and see how everything works out. Let's go over my receipt to see how everything worked out. You can see all the items I picked up, and let's look at my coupon section. All my coupons and CRTs are applied, but the only funny thing that happened was some of the CRTs, instead of adjusting down to the right amount, like the 5 off 2, it was supposed to adjust down to $4.78. It only adjusted down to $4. Then the $2 for the Pantene did not take off the whole $2. It adjusted down to $1.61. But I'm okay with that. This transaction ended up being very good. I used $25 extra care box to pay for this, paid $2.95 out of pocket, and I got back $4 for buying 2 of the Head and Shoulder products, and a $3 back for the Polydent, and another $10 back for spending $20 on Eucerin. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for a $6 back on the Pediacare, and for the Head and Shoulder, I got $3 back on each item. The total amount I got from Ibotta is $12. After that rebate, this whole transaction ended up being free and a $1.10 moneymaker. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for your support. Stay safe and enjoy your holiday, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.